How to add a checked bag on Hawaii Airlines. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can add a check bag on your Hawaii Airlines or to your Hawaii Airlines. So the procedure for doing this is the same way as checking a bag on Hawaii Airlines. And how do you do so? Visit the Hawaii Airlines website and then on the page click on check in. So, or you can be okay, you can make use of the application just like I am doing here. Whichever one, either the website or the application, you are good to go. Okay. So after clicking on check-in, and you are brought to the check-in page. On this page, the next thing that you have to do in here is to type out your confirmation code or your ticket number in the field displayed, as well as the guest last name. All right, that is your last name in the field displayed as well. So once you can type this out, the next thing to do is to click on search, and then your flight to be searched for, and then you'll be taken to the check-in page. On the check-in page, you may be asked to, or you can decide to select seats if you've not before. You can also decide to change or upgrade your seat and all of that. And then after going through that process, you can now go ahead and check your bags. All right, and then if you have checked your bags already while booking your flight, all you need to do is to click on the plus option there, or the toggle there, wherever option you can see there, in order to add those bags to your flight. Since you've checked the bag before, you will no longer be asked to make payments. Okay, so just ensure you add the checked bags to your flight, and then go ahead and print out your boarding pass, and you are good to go. So this is how it works basically. Okay, once you've checked your bags during the flight, on check-in page, just go ahead and add them one after the other, and you are good to go. So this is how you can check this is how you can add checked bag on Hawaii Airlines. Thanks for watching and have a good day.